Hi! Welcome to Idol na Song Request! Boom! Ayun, so maraming salamat po sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa amin. Sana magustuhan po ninyo. Tensya na, TFC subscribers, maraming salamat po. Then, huwag niyo pong kalilimutan mag-click yung like, tapos bell notification button, subscribe. Baliktad.
Road to 1K na tayo!
Excuse me ulit. Oh, my Rodriguez. Shout out! Yo! Request lang kanta. Medyo pinahirapan niya kami. So, worth it naman. Sana magustuhan po ninyo. Share lang ang share, guys. Tapos, yun. Salamat. So, let's do this. This time, this place, misused, mistakes, too long, too late. Who was I to make you wait? Just one chance, one breath, just in case there's just one left. 'Cause you know, my knees, I'll ask, last chance for one last dance. 'Cause with you, I withstand all of hell to hold your hand. I'd give it all, I'd give for us, give anything, but I won't give up. 'Cause you know, so far away, for far too long. So far away, been far too long. But you know, I wanted you to stay. 'Cause I need to hear you say, 'cause I love you all along, and I forgive you. Be away for far too long, so keep pretending, 'cause I'm not leaving you anymore. Believe it, hold on to me, yeah, let me go. Hold on to me, yeah, but let me go. Hi! Welcome to Idol! Sarap po doon sa...
Let's do the gin.
Dito, yan. Tapos ng tuktok. Ayun, maraming salamat.
Next time.
Tani, guitar stand to dito.